Being sexy is subjective, but confidence is key. Confidence is conveyed through body language, personal style, and showcasing your personality. Build a wardrobe that boosts your confidence by getting rid of clothes that don't make you feel amazing and only purchasing items that make you feel attractive. Embrace your best features by choosing clothing or makeup that highlights them. Maintain good hygiene by bathing daily, washing and conditioning your hair regularly, and caring for your skin and nails. Choose a hairstyle that flatters your face and expresses your style. Consider wearing a signature scent to create a lasting impression. Wearing red can attract attention and leave your wrist exposed to emit pheromones. Slow down your movements to appear more alluring and make confident eye contact. Lightly touching others can establish a connection, but use it appropriately. Overall, be true to yourself and let your confidence shine.